Hello guys, it's Tayo here. So I just discovered that Asos are doing a 50% sale of everything on their website, and that includes the Estee Lauder serums that I always talk about on my channel. And I just thought I'll just come here and let you know, because they're really quite affordable now and they are really good. I talk a lot about them on my channel. I always get asked where people can buy them from. So I have put the links in my description box, and I have also shown some pictures of the things I think are very, very good deals. So hopefully you get to buy them before they sell out, because they're selling out really fast. Okay guys, it's just a quick video. See you in my next one. Bye.